When you're out in the woods enjoying the fall weather, you may notice smoke in the air. Fall is often the best time for us to light prescribed fires. The Uinta-Wasatch-Cache uses prescribed fire for two main reasons: to restore more healthy and diverse habitat conditions, and to reduce heavy fuel buildups around communities and other developed areas.
If you have any questions about our prescribed burning program or any other activities on the forest, please check our website or contact one of our offices. Whatever activities you choose to enjoy on the forest, please be safe. We want you to come back and enjoy the beauty of the Uinta-Wasatch-Cache.